Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are doing another Roblox scripting video, but before we get into it, please make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. Okay, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, today this is episode 3 of our new series of how to script for beginners on Roblox. And today we're going to be talking about the Instance.New. So, the format of an Instance.New, let's open up the script and get rid of this. The format of Instance.New is Instance.New, like that, and then in parentheses, quotations, comma, game.service. So what this means, let's do a breakdown on what it means. So, the Instance.New tells the script to get a new instance, and we're going to, between the quotation marks, we're going to specify which kind of instance we want created. So let's say we want a part. We will put in here part. So that's that. And then next we have game.service. So we leave the game part as it is, but we need to change the service part to whatever service we want a part to spawn in. For example, whatever parent we want it to be in. Workspace, players, lighting, whatever. So let's say workspace. That's all we need. Now let's make it, let's wait 3 seconds first, and then we will print part will appear in 1 second. Now keep in mind the print only appears for you when you're editing. It appears for nobody in the game. And then Instance.New. Okay, so if we go into test world, a new block is about to appear somewhere. Now we haven't specified where, so it really could appear anywhere. So look at our output. We see part will appear in 1 second, and there it is. The part has appeared, as you can see. So that is the Instance.New command. So that's the end of this episode. I will see you guys later for the next one. Bye.